In Adobe Premiere Pro, there are several different ways in which to review clips and add them to a sequence. However, the technique of editing in the project panel with icon view turned on, referred to by many people as storyboard editing, is likely the most efficient method for reviewing multiple clips and quickly making a first rough cut of a sequence. In this video, we will explore how to use storyboard editing to easily view the footage of your clips, set in and out points on your clips, and add multiple clips to a sequence in order to create a quick first edit of your sequence. To start using the storyboard editing method, I'll first click the Icon View button in the project panel where I have already imported my clips into my Video Clips bin. Next, I'll press the Control button on the keyboard and double-click the bin containing my clips. This allows me to view my clips as thumbnail images. I can then press the tilde key to make the storyboard panel full screen. Now that I have the storyboard panel open, I can change the size of the clip thumbnail previews by dragging the zoom slider. Making the thumbnails larger allows you to get a better look at individual clips, as we will see shortly. One of the great features of storyboard editing is that you can preview the footage of your clips by simply hovering your mouse back and forth over the clip thumbnails. This provides an easy way to quickly preview the footage of multiple clips. By zooming in on your clip thumbnails, the larger size of the thumbnails makes it a bit easier to more thoroughly preview the footage of each clip due to the larger area in which you can hover your mouse. The poster frame for a clip is the image that shows by default when you are not actively previewing the clip. In some cases, the poster frames for some of your clips may look very similar. In order to make individual clips more easily identifiable, you may want to set your own poster frames for these clips. To set a poster frame, simply hover your mouse over the clip until you find a frame that you think is a good representation of it. Then right-click on the clip and select Set Poster Frame from the menu. While previewing the footage of your clips, you may find that some of the clips are not in the order that you plan to show them in your sequence. To rearrange the order of your clips, simply click and drag a clip to the correct position in the storyboard panel. Premiere will show a gray bar either to the left or right of another clip, indicating where the clip will be repositioned in the storyboard. You can repeat these steps until the clips are in the correct order. Rearranging the clips in the storyboard panel will allow you to easily add the clips to your sequence in the correct order. To more thoroughly review an individual clip, first click on it to select it. You can then preview the footage of the clip by using the J, K, and L keys on the keyboard. Press the L key once to play the clip forwards. Press the K key to stop the clip. To play backwards to an earlier part of the clip, press the J key. Press K again to stop. So L is forwards, K is stop, and J is backwards. If you want to view the clip at a faster speed, you can do so by pressing the J or L key twice. So now that I know how to more thoroughly review my clips using the J, K, and L keys, I can also set in and out points on my clips by using the I and O keys. So now I will press L to play my clip forward, press I to select the in point, press O to select the out point, and press K to stop the clip. If I want to change my in and out points, I can simply play the clip again and press the I and O keys at my desired in and out points. Now I'll go ahead and set in and out points on a few other clips that I want to add to my sequence. While setting in and out points, you may find that there are some clips where you want to use multiple different portions of the footage. In these cases, you can create subclips of each different portion of the footage. To create a subclip, I'll simply select the in and out points for the first portion of the clip I want to use. Then right-click the clip and select Make Subclip from the menu. Then I'll click OK in the Make Subclip dialog box. Now my subclip will appear as a new clip at the bottom of the storyboard panel. You can repeat this process to create subclips of the other portions of the clip that you want to use. Now I can select which clips I want to add to my sequence. I can select multiple clips by holding down the Control key and clicking each clip that I want to use. Once I have selected all of my desired clips, I can click and drag the clips onto the New Item button to create a new sequence. The clips will be added to the sequence in the order that I selected them in the storyboard window. If you already have an existing sequence that you want to add the clips to, you can also use the Automate to Sequence feature, which provides some more advanced options for adding the clips to your sequence. To do this, select all the clips you want to add to the sequence, then click the Automate to Sequence button. Two nice options provided with the Automate to Sequence feature are that you can choose to automatically add default transitions between your clips, and if desired, you can choose to only use the video or audio portions of your clips. So now I'll click the OK button, press the tilde key to minimize the storyboard panel, and see that the clips have been added to my existing sequence. You can now view your sequence by simply dragging the playhead to the beginning of the timeline, and then pressing the spacebar or L key to play the sequence. So, as you can see, storyboard editing provides many valuable features for reviewing and editing your clips, especially when working with a large number of clips. To conclude, in this video we learned how to use the storyboard editing feature in Premiere Pro to easily review the footage of your clips, set in and out points on your clips, and add multiple clips to a sequence in order to create a quick first cut of your sequence.